Hello, today I'm going to do a field strip on the KP9 or KR9 pistol bolt carrier, including the firing pin. This is mine, and like I stated earlier in my video, the firing pin is broke. And as you see, there are two lock pins. One is on this side. This one goes here and lock this spring, lock. And then out on this side right there. And the second one is from here. There's the fire pin lock. It goes from there all the way to this one. So let's take them out. So let's go and punch this one out. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, careful. There's a spring in there. And now we're gonna take this one out by using a 1/16 of an inch. And the firing pin right there broke. Now one of the lock pin goes right here, like this. Okay. And this one with the spring sits beneath this lock. And this lock goes where this curve is. Sits like this. And then another lock just goes in there through. But the spring should be in here. And this is the end of the firing pin. Right there. And the spring sits there like this. So the spring is supposed to be down here, right behind this lock. And then you have another lock, which is lock the spring inside here, right there. If I replace a new firing pin, I don't need the spring. I don't need this spring. Okay, that's one. I don't need it. I don't need this lock. Okay, so when you put it back, make sure this card here facing this hole right there. It goes like this. And use this pin to lock. Okay. Flush. Now you're gonna pull the spring back. And this spring lock. Like I say, if I replace it and no firing pin, I'm not gonna use the spring and the lock. Okay. Make sure it's flush. Yes, it is. Right there, and right here, and over there. So we're good to go. Yep. You can hear the firing pin moving in there. Alright, thank you for watching.